Okay, so this is a tutorial to make a business card for week 11, assignment 1. So if you click on assignment 1, it tells you that you are going to be making a business card for Intense Bike and Trail. So what I would do is highlight this, and then you can right click right on top of it and copy it. And then if you go down here, you will need 2 of these pictures. You can choose whichever 2 you want. You click on it and hit download. Okay, now you're going to go over to your SSO, click on Office 365, and okay, click on Word and click on New Blank Document. All right, so there are some things that we're going to do. If you have the downloaded version, you can use templates, but since the online version does not have templates, we're going to create our own business card. So to do that, the very first thing we're going to do is we're going to go up here to the top ribbons and click on Layout and go to Margins and go to Narrow, because we want it as far up in the corner as we can. Then we're going to do what we've done before, and we're going to go to Insert a Table, and we're going to make it 3 by 4. All right, so now in this one is where our business card's going to go. So the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to insert, oh, I have to go back here, insert a picture from my device, the one that I just downloaded. So now mine are in the downloads folder. It depends on where yours are. So I'm going to open up one of my pictures, and it's going to go in the corner. And then what I would do is click right there and hit Control V, and it will put in all of your information. Now you see how it goes like right here and you have all this area. We don't want all of that area, so what we're going to do is we're going to select the picture. We're going to go up here to where it says picture, and we're going to wrap the text. So we're going to do square left. So then it moves it up and you can get your title and such up there. Okay, so now we're going to put our cursor right in front of our card. And then we're going to go over here. Okay, so now we're going to put in our second picture. So we want our cursor, our insertion point, to be right in front of cell phone. And we're going to go to Insert, Picture, this device. We're going to choose our file and hit Open. And then Insert. Okay, so now it's on this side of it, and I want it down here in this corner. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did before. I'm going to click on it, make sure that I'm in Pictures, go to Wrap Text, and I'm going to do Square Right. So now everything's on that side. I want to put a little bit of space in between here, so I'm going to hit Enter, and then we're going to take this and we're going to center it. So right here, oops, sorry, wrong one. This one, we're going to center it so it's in the middle. We're going to make it maybe 16. Yeah, that works. I'm going to capitalize this H. I think I'll make it a color. So let's see, we'll go with green because it's outdoors type thing. Okay, and then I'm going to take this stuff and I'm going to make it smaller. We're going to make it, I wouldn't make anything smaller than 9 when it comes to it for the old people in the room, because our eyes aren't what they used to be. Now, to get it to go down, what I was doing, if I hit enter, it takes me all the way down there. I don't want to hit enter, so I'm hitting the space bar till it takes me to the next line. Okay, so put a space here. Oh, just a little bit too big, huh? Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to make this just a tiny bit smaller, and it should move back up there. Oh, that one did. Oh, I did it again. Backspace. And I have to hit my enter key. Oops. Okay, I'm getting there, guys. Sorry. All right. And we're going to put email back down here. And we're going to just clean it up a little bit. I would capitalize the C. All right. Oh, and I guess I lost this, the end of this at some point. So there you go. I just put that in there. All right. So now you have used text wrap to put in 2 pictures and to put the words around it. And this one, we need to make this one. I forgot about it. So let's go over here to, I'm going to capitalize the T. And we're going to change this to maybe 16, maybe 18. And then we're going to center it. And it's already in bold, so we'll leave it in bold. Maybe we'll do italics. And we definitely need some kind of color. So the opposite of green is red, and you always try to have opposites. And so there you go. So it's not exactly what the downloaded version would do, but it's the same concepts. And I wanted you guys to understand the wrapped text, that you can move things around. And so with that, if you save it as Q2A5 and submit it, that would be awesome. If you have any questions, let me know.